Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing something completely different from the other projects that I've been doing, and it's gonna be a little shed extension addition to the cooler that we have here. Since my wife does flowers, I put this cooler in here. Let me show you. Basically, it gets cold to about 43. Well, you can get it to about 40 or a little bit lower. But that keeps the flowers nice and cold during the heat. Like right now, I think it's like 90 degrees. And so we can't really keep that in a regular shed like this one, for example. That's where wife does all the flowers. There's AC in that shed, but it only gets to about 60 degrees. So that's not really good for the flowers, but about 40 degrees is pretty good, and that keeps them nice and fresh. And Matthew right here is of course helping as always. Hi Matthew. He's too busy building whatever he's building. So what my plan is to pretty much build an extension that will go all the way to the edge, connected to the cooler, and then on top make a roof, and then you can store stuff on top, etc., and then have a door where Matthew is sitting right there. So basically this will be for storage, extra storage, and on top there'll be extra storage, and then it'll be part of the cooler, so it will look like one big building, and it'll look a lot nicer, because right now it looks like a big white box just sitting there in the middle of the yard, compared to that shed that I built last year. So we'll start on this project. It might take, I don't know, a week or two. I'm not sure. Depends on how much time I have at work. Matthew's gonna help when he can, which makes things a little bit harder, but it is what it is. You gotta play with the kids and get them to help you so they can enjoy it and everybody can have fun, and then so they don't sit around and watch iPads at home all the time. And Viola just got picked up from school, so she's inside drawing, so that's fine too. As long as they're not watching the iPads and playing iPad games and all that stuff, as long as they're doing something productive. So let's get this project started. Drew out a plan, and we'll go off a plan. Right now we're gonna do the floorboards, and I'm gonna start building the walls, and then put up the walls, and then connect the walls to the cooler, and then start going up again from that. Matthew, you ready?
Let's go.
Let's go! Whoa, look! 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's go.